This United Real Estate Infinity property video is presented by Darlene Jones. The ideal open design floor plan concept features a warm, welcoming interior and features a flow-through living/dining area, sunroom. Additional benefits of this house include double-hung windows and beamed ceilings. A foodie's dream, this state-of-the-art newly renovated kitchen includes upgraded appliances, convection oven, granite countertops, porcelain-tiled backsplash, sleek cabinetry, decorative pendant lighting, over-the-range microwave and a glass cooktop. A place for calm and relaxation, the master bathroom was completely remodeled and features a walk-in closet, walk-in shower, Whirlpool Jacuzzi tub, his and hers sinks, granite countertops, granite vanity and porcelain-tiled flooring. You'll enjoy being in the super private backyard which boasts a screened porch, in-ground pool, lawn with automatic sprinklers and fruit trees. A quiet haven where you can really relax. Well placed in a sought-after section of Lee County. This property features a 200 gallons propane tank for hurricanes/power outages. Backyard has a 10x16 shed with loft. Take advantage of the best rural living around. Don't miss out on